Hi my diamond, it's your girl Gabby Diamond, and I'm back with another video. So I don't know why, for some reason I have so much energy today. It's just crazy. So I went to school this morning. I had class 10 to 12, and I'm back from school. It's like 2 p.m. now. But yeah, so before I got Chipotle for lunch. I have like soft taco. I have 3 soft tacos, and then I have a quesadilla. So I'm gonna eat the soft taco now, and then the quesadilla later around like 6. Before I go to bed or something, I don't know. But Chipotle for lunch today. But in today's video, I'm going to install my wig for the second time. I did it the first time. I had a video for that. Stay tuned for that. I have to edit the video and then post it so I could post this video. So before I start my install wig, whatever, I want to show y'all what I got from the mall yesterday. So I went to Zara. So I went to Zara. I didn't get a lot of stuff. I just got 4 different stuff. I'm gonna show it to y'all. I had like God damn. I have a cargo pants. This is the back, and then this is the front. The front, it have like pocket, like 4, no 6, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. It's cute. And then it was like, how much was it? Ooh, it was $45. Well, I don't really care. If I like it, I like it. I got that. And then I got 3 bodysuit. I'm gonna show it to y'all. I shouldn't want to try them, but I had to eat first, bro. I haven't ate nothing. I had this bodysuit. It's like a simple bodysuit. It's like a nude color. Is it nude? Yeah. I don't know. But yeah, it's like a nude-ish. No, it's like a green. No, it's not green. I don't know what color is it. I'm blind. No, I'm not blind. What happened to me? I'm slow today. Anyway, I had a gray bodysuit. It's gray. It's simple, but the material is like the skin material. So I had this one, and then this is a green. I love that one. I love this one. It's the same as the first one, but different color. Well, this one is a green. The other one is like a nude. So yeah. Oh shit, they're like $20. No, $27.99. So it's like $30. So I spend 3 times 30. That's 90 plus 45. Almost 150 in Zara. Give me my money back. So I got that, and I'm gonna try it, but not now. Maybe later or something. I'll show you how it looks like. And I also went to Ulta. I went to Ulta to get some stuff. So I have like a black girl sunscreen. It was like, how much did I pay for that? It was $15. $15. And I have this serum, yeah. It's the Ordinary serum. Why is it not focused? I don't know why, but I don't know. But yeah, I got this one. Let me show you. I used it this morning for before I go to school. And I heard it was really good, so I'm about to try it. So I got this one. It was like $6. Let's see. bad. It's just like Vaseline. I thought it was like boom, but it's like Vaseline. But anyway, yeah, I got that. It was $6. Give me my money back. And I have this toner. I should have got a cucumber, but I have a was petal. It smelled good. I don't like it. It smelled good. It smelled like too good. It's like a perfume. I don't like putting stuff that smell like perfume in my face because it's not supposed to smell that fucking good. Don't curse. Sorry, y'all. So yeah, at that. And this one was like $4. So I spent like $25. Yeah, I guess. So it was like, yeah, whatever. But yeah, that's it. What else? That's it. Oh, y'all want to see my iPad? I have an iPad, the pink one. I finally have my iPad. Where's my? I gotta go get my bag. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. So she's right here. What's her? I gotta give her a name. What's her name? I don't know, but I gotta look for it. She's right here. Look at that, y'all. Someone stole my fucking MacBook at my old job. But now I gotta get a new one. And then I have a pencil. The pen is like, the pencil, I said a pen. The pencil is pink. And then the thing is pink. The case is pink. I miss pink. So I have the iPad. So yeah, I had to do laundry first. No. I gotta eat first. And then I gotta eat first. I gotta do laundry. What else? And then I'm gonna do my hair. So yeah. So I'm about to eat my taco. Y'all wanna see my taco? Yeah, of course y'all wanna see my taco. Of course. Let me show y'all. Ooh. I have 3 soft tacos. Plus I have a quesadilla, but I'm not gonna eat it now. I'm gonna eat it later. So I gotta wash my hands. I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I wash my hands. Where's the napkin? Boom. Yeah, so you know my biggest problem is the editing is so, it's not hard, it's just like it just takes so much time. Like, I don't know. First bite. Bustin'. Can you get taco with the vinegar? Come on. Every time I get Chipotle, I don't care what it is. I need the vinegar. It's so good. Second bite. Definitely. Very good, yeah. This is hot. Like, it's pretty hot. Yeah, this is hot. Third bite is. I'm scared because this is spicy. Hold on. Yeah, this is how I know it's spicy. I gotta do laundry. Should I show y'all what I do laundry? I might show y'all how I do my laundry. But first, let me enjoy my tacos, you know? So let's bite with y'all. And now I'm gonna sit down. Wait. I'm gonna sit down, you know, and eat. And eat. See y'all later. Bye. Hey y'all. So I forgot to record the video while I was braiding my hair. So, and then this video I muted because I had a lot of noise in the background, so I didn't like it. So I was like, I'm gonna mute it and do a voiceover. So while I'm doing the voiceover, I'm gonna insert some questions about, like, some facts about me and stuff like that. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And then you can leave a comment and share the video with your friend and everything. And if you're not new to the channel, I said welcome back and thank you for watching my videos. So let's do it. And then don't mind my beds because like I told y'all before, I was doing laundry. I was about to do laundry. I did my laundry and then I didn't fold my clothes, so I just put them on the bed, and then I fold it later. So yeah, the first question is, what's your dream vacation? My dream vacation is Dubai. I want to go to Dubai. Like, yeah, that's my dream vacations. Dubai. And next question is favorite siblings. I can't say that. I love all my siblings. I love all of them. I don't really have a favorite siblings. But if I have to pick one of my siblings, it has to be my goddaughter. Her name is Dodi. She's like 3 years old. She's like my favorite. She's my favorite siblings because she's my goddaughter. Favorite TV show. Favorite TV show has to be Vampire Diaries. That's my favorite TV show. I watch it so many times. So many times. Yes, that's my favorite TV show. Celebrity crush, Chris Brown. Chris Brown is my celebrity crush. I love me some Chris Brown. 3 things that make you happy. 3 things that makes me happy. 3 things that makes me happy. The first one gotta be when someone check on me and ask me how I'm doing. That makes me happy. The second one is when I'm explaining my feelings to somebody and then they actually understand me and get me and it makes me feel comfortable. That makes me happy. And what else makes me happy? When I wake up in a good mood, that makes me happy. Yeah, I could have found something else, but yeah. Next question, something that you would like to learn. Something that I would like to learn is sign language. I want to learn sign language. I don't know why, but I want to learn it. And I also want to learn how to play piano. So that's something that right now I'm super crazy about. I want to learn those 2. Yeah. How many people have you kissed? Oh my God. I think I kissed 4 people. 4. Yeah. I kissed, I think 4. I don't know. Yeah, I think. If you could have any superpower, what would you want to have? If I could have any superpower, I would like to have the power to go back in time. Like, if I could go back, yeah, that would be super cool. And then the second one is to read people's minds so I can see when people are lying to me. Yeah. What's something that's currently worrying you? I feel like something that's bothering me so much right now is the take a risk and do something and then not being successful about it.
that's something that really worries me right now. And yeah, and then my future scares me. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, because I don't know what I want. I don't know what I want to do, and then that scares me. So yeah, next question is, what's your biggest fear? My biggest fear is to lose. My biggest fear is to lose someone that I love very much. I just don't want to go through that. It's really hard. I see people went through stuff like that, and then I think I never been through it, and I'm gonna keep being thankful for God because He protect all my loved ones. So yeah, what's the thing that you love? I love myself. I love who I am. I love the way I am and everything. I love my families. I love my sisters, all my siblings, and my moms and everything. I love my friends, and yeah, that's it. Just a thing that I love. And what else? Something that you miss from your childhood. Something that I miss. When I was younger, my mom had me and my brother, but my brother used to stay with my grandma. So it used to be me and my mom. So now I have 3 siblings. So I miss being the only one. I miss being just me and my mom against the world. So just like I miss all the love, all the affections and everything. So that's what I miss from my childhood. What's your ideas of a perfect date? A perfect date. It would be like we went somewhere that really, really calm, by a water or ocean, anything like calm, and then we have food and then talk for like hours. Good conversation, and then good vibe and everything. That makes me happy. I'm not big on perfect date and type stuff. Any little things, just me and you by the oceans with food, drinks, and everything, having good conversations. That's my idea of a perfect date. Or let's go on a vacation. That's a perfect date. 3 things that upset me, 3 things that make me very mad is the first one is when someone eat my leftover. That pissed me off because I know it was there, and then my mind was on it. I know when I get home I'm gonna eat it, and then somebody else eat it, and it pissed me off. And then any little things get me irritated, make me mad, make me upset. So I don't really have a specific thing, but yeah, I don't like when people eat my food or touch my stuff. So yeah. Hold on, yeah. So I was looking for more questions, but I couldn't find any more questions. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you give me a like, comment what other video I should do besides wigs and stuff like that. And then if you haven't subscribed, like I said, subscribe right now. And yeah, I hope you have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed the video just like I enjoyed doing it. And that's it. God bless you. I love you. And yeah, enjoy the video. Bye.
Okay, I'm back, y'all. This is the hair. Let me show y'all. So, this is how the hair looks with work. I don't know. I feel like I've straightened like the right here and then curled at the end. This is what I'm gonna do. But yeah, that looks nice. I'm gonna curl the end. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do the other side, and I'll be back with you. So yeah, bye. Maybe I need to. Alright, this is how the wig come out. I know, rate me out of 10 for my second time doing my own hair. Rate me out of 10. So, is it a 0? Is it a 0? Or is it like I give it like give it a 7. I think I could do better because I tried to do the curls and I couldn't do it, so I had to do straight hair. But I gave it like a 7. Yeah, give it a 7. But the color was supposed to be brown and pink. As you can see the little bit of pink. So that's what it was supposed to be, but whatever. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what should I do next. So bye. I love y'all.